Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to follow on Twitter feature with 𝐓𝐞𝐿 software. Why did we need to follow other people? Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter prioritize accounts that behave like real users. If an account only posts but never follows or interacts with anyone, the system will easily flag it as a bot, spam, or automation tool. Following will help you improve your trust score, reducing the risk of checkpoints or feature bans, increases post visibility to friends and followers. Helps accounts pass the warm-up phase more smoothly. The automatic follow feature will help you follow the right target audience niche. First, you need to open the software. You need to have accounts available as ingredients or resources to follow the targets. Open follow function. You can follow by user, follow by keyword, follow by tweet, and follow and auto increase followers feature. The first feature, follow by user. You can use suggestions from Twitter or a list of users you have prepared. Enter the user or account link you have prepared into this section. Choose to follow the people who already follow that account or the people that account is following. I will set my accounts to follow between 10 and 20 accounts. You have the option to interact with the account before following or not. The next feature is to follow by keyword. Enter the keywords related to the accounts you wanted to follow here. Since there are 3 keywords, I will set each account to search for and use 3 keywords. Search for 10 users per keyword. You have the option to interact with the account before following or not. Next is the follow by tweet feature. You can choose to follow tweets based on Twitter's suggestions or use a tweet link that you have prepared. Here, you can choose to follow the post owner or follow those who reposted or shared the post. Follow 10 people in each category's type. Paste the post link directly here. You have the option to interact with the account before following or not. The next feature is UnFollow. You can choose to unfollow accounts randomly or unfollow based on a specific list of accounts you want. The final feature is the Auto Increase Followers feature. In this feature, the software will automatically connect its API with a third-party tool to automatically increase followers for your accounts. If you want to know more information, please contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next videos.